Moving right along, let's proceed to the Alibaba Cloud Overview and Education Industry Solutions by Mr. James Dayat. He is a local solutions architect of Alibaba Cloud Philippines with over 10 years of experience in IT infrastructure, solution architecture and design, and extensive knowledge in the cloud. Graduated from the University of the East in 2012. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. James Dayat.
Good afternoon, everyone. So while we're fixing, good afternoon, everyone. So my name is James again. I'm from Alibaba Cloud Philippines. I'm one of the local solutions architects focused on providing Alibaba Cloud solutions to the local market. So before I start, siguro, anyone here already heard Alibaba or Alibaba Cloud? I'm sure familiar kayo sa Alibaba. So Alibaba, related siya sa amin. So Alibaba is the e-commerce, no? So it's the same as Lazada, Shopee, but Alibaba Cloud is part of the whole Alibaba Group umbrella. So just to give you a background, Alibaba Cloud, so let's start na dito. So Alibaba Group is actually a conglomerate. So within Alibaba Group, meron tayong different subsidiaries focusing on different industries. So we have here the following subsidiaries focusing on different industries. And Alibaba Cloud is the technology arm of the Alibaba Group, wherein we provide the solutions to these subsidiaries. And it's the same solutions that we provide to our customers, not just here in the Philippines, but globally as well. So Alibaba Cloud pretty much focus on providing cloud-based solutions. So infrastructure-wise, we provide the cloud-based instances spanning across different services from storage, network security, up to SaaS-based applications. So very briefly, these are the Alibaba Cloud portfolios in terms of the solutions that we provide, in terms of the computing service, storage, network, security, and the other services such as database, big data, and cloud native. So same goes with other cloud providers here in the Philippines. We actually provide almost the same services that we provide. So maybe for all of you who are here, familiar na kayo on how we provide or the services that we provide to our customers in terms of comparing it to on-premise to cloud. So cloud technology itself is a more advanced way on how we can address the solutions to our customers. And to be honest, I'm glad that the Philippines already has Alibaba Cloud here in the Philippines. Because we are, so far, the only cloud provider here in the Philippines that has local data center. So, you heard it right? So meron kaming local data center here in the Philippines. So pretty much that gives more value to the local businesses here in the Philippines because we can address the requirements for some of the projects that requires data residency, data sovereignty. At the same time, in terms of addressing possible latency issues because the servers are present here in the Philippines locally. So we can pretty much address those pain points.
What is the name of our
So what are the solutions and the best practices of Alibaba Cloud in terms of providing cloud-based solutions or services to our customers? So as you can see here in the screen, there are these industries. So we have the FSI industry, the retail, media and entertainment, education, and BPO. And it doesn't mean na wala yung ibang industry dito. These are just limited to these industries. So what I wanted to highlight here in terms of the value of our solutions and the services that we provide, specifically for financial services, Alibaba Cloud is also at par with other cloud players. So just to mention here for FSI, so I would just like to know who among here are users of GCash. So sino na lang yung hindi gumagamit ng GCash? So maybe some here are not here really living in the Philippines now. Siguro I heard there are foreigners as well. But GCash, as we know, this is the #1 online payment platform in the Philippines. So very convenient siya. And yung value ng GCash is very apparent when the pandemic hits. No, so before the pandemic, may mga gumagamit na ng GCash, pero there's no, well for me, there's no impact yet. When the pandemic hits and kailangan may social distancing and all the transactions should happen online, then mas nakita natin yung value ng GCash. And I mentioned GCash because 70% to 80% of GCash infrastructure is already running in the Alibaba Cloud infrastructure. So, hindi nyo alam yan, pero GCash is our key component here in the Philippines to make a statement that GCash as a company is really something to look up to in terms of using also Alibaba Cloud in your infrastructure. And here today, we have the education industry, and these are some of the solutions or categories wherein Alibaba Cloud can provide value also. So in terms of video on demand, so we have media solutions wherein if ever there is an opportunity for your educational projects or opportunities to provide contents via online, Alibaba Cloud can definitely support you in providing the infrastructure to provide video-based content. Same goes with live video. So this is for live broadcasting. There's an opportunity also to do live demo, live teaching to our students or to other faculty that may be living outside of the local locations of the, let's say, event. So we can also provide live streaming solutions. Content delivery, this is pretty much to help accelerate the delivery of the content and the quality of the videos. LMS also, so we are partnered with Moodle to provide you the specific platform and at the same time provide you with the applications that will help run your applications to provide more value to your customers as well. Same goes with Cloud Desktop, and at the same time, other than this, we also provide trainings to our students and to our engineers, sales team in terms of how they can be more familiar with Alibaba Cloud. And not just these industry-specific solutions, Alibaba Cloud also provides the common solutions that can be applied to other industries such as cloud native, cloud migration, security and compliance, backup and restore, and analytics. So if ever you have requirements for all these use cases, you can count on Alibaba Cloud as we provide more value to the money that you're paying, the services that we provide. So just to give you also a visionary, a vision of where we are located globally. So globally, we are present in almost 200 countries, and then we have over 30 regions deployed globally. So again, when I say regions, these are the local data centers that is present for each of the region. And as you can see here, and as you notice, we pretty much penetrate the Asian region. And siguro tatanungin nyo why. So, Alibaba Cloud is an Asian brand company. We originate from China, but Alibaba Cloud Philippines operates under the subsidiary or the operation or umbrella of the Alibaba Cloud Singapore. And the value of this is Alibaba Cloud's presence here in the Philippines, and at the same time, its presence is in Asian region gives more value to our customers, especially if your business rotates in the Philippine and the Asian region. So not just in Asia, but we are also present in Europe and in the US. So if ever you have businesses that is involving Europe and the American region, Alibaba Cloud can definitely help you. So we have 30 regions, 89 availability zones. So these AZs are smaller nodes or data centers that can help accelerate how servers and networks communicate with each other. In the Philippines alone, we have over 10 nodes spanning across Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So here in the Philippines, we have the local data center, which is somewhere in Makati, and we also have nodes in Cebu and Davao. So by having those nodes present in the country, we can really help the local businesses here in the Philippines to adapt to cloud and at the same time leverage on the advantage of having the cloud technology in terms of how we can help them expand their business. So Alibaba Cloud's data center or the local region was established just last 2021, and with the help of local team, me included, we can help in terms of providing more value and flexible and effective solutions to your businesses. These are some of the customers that we have globally, but what I wanted to highlight here are the local brands such as GCash, UBX for the FSI. We provided them the FSI related solutions like the GCash, OCR. So we provided them how we operate or how we use the GCash platform itself in terms of the payment, in terms of the customer verification as well. So if you remember, nung first time yung mag-register sa GCash, remember when we did the eKYC. So ito yung nag-selfie tayo, we take also the photo of our IDs, and then there's a verification that happened also in the background. So Alibaba Cloud partnered with Solos, provided that solution to GCash. So that's what we are enjoying right now. That's why we are using GCash. UBX, same thing. There are also other FSI-related solutions that we provide, pero hindi ko na siya detail right now. In terms of the media, we have the ABS-CBN. So, alam naman natin who ABS-CBN is. No? So, ABS-CBN is one of the leading media company here in the Philippines that provides contents. So, we provided them storage solutions and accelerating solutions for their contents. Especially right now, since we know what happened to ABS-CBN, most of their contents are available online. So this can be via our TV or via YouTube channels. And for all the customers to enjoy those contents, we help ABS-CBN in terms of how the customers here in the Philippines can enjoy the contents faster, without lag or without any slowness. With Kumu, I know you know Kumu. Who knows Kumu? It is a live streaming platform wherein you can do live contents, even sell items or do any other activities. Then meron siyang tokens or coins involved that can be monetized. So these are some of the local and international customers where Alibaba Cloud is supported. So question, why choose Alibaba Cloud? So siguro right now, well, marami siguro hindi pa familiar with Alibaba Cloud, but why choose Alibaba Cloud? And through this slide, I would like you to understand and hopefully mahikayat ko kayo on how to embrace Alibaba Cloud to be one of your technology providers. So we have the ecosystem wherein our products and services are tried and tested already within the Alibaba Group. So we make sure that our solutions and services are mature enough in terms of how it can provide the effectiveness of your solutions running on Alibaba Cloud. And with the products and services spanning from IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, we provide scalable solutions. So if in case you need a solution for server, network, security, database, and we are also partnered with different software vendors or ISPs to help address your pain points and challenges. Infrastructure-wise, we are present globally, and again, I just reiterate, we have over 10 nodes, not 10,000, 10 nodes present here in the Philippines. And in terms of security and compliance, Alibaba Cloud is adhering securing your data. So we do have different security products as well, which I already showed earlier to address different attacks to secure your infrastructure and in the end, your business as well. So in terms of the solutions that we provide 200 plus solutions that is applicable to almost 100 types of use cases and scenarios. And this is backed by an advanced technology that is trusted and high performance. So meaning, we provide more value to your investment with Alibaba Cloud. And sasabihin ko na, no, compared to other cloud providers, Alibaba Cloud is actually one of the cheapest. But again, when we do the scoping, when we do the projectization, we will see to it that we will do cost analysis to make sure that the service that we provide and the solutions that we provide is of value. And Alibaba Cloud also is a recognized leader in terms of the following. So we were recognized by IDC and Gartner as one of the top players in terms of providing IaaS-based solutions. And in terms of comparing it to other cloud providers, we are at par in terms of providing the solutions to your business. So we're at number 1 in compute, storage, network, security. But again, the gist of this particular slide is to let you know that even though Alibaba Cloud is a very new player in the cloud industry, we are already getting head-to-head in terms of the performance, in terms of the value, comparing it to other bigger names in the industry already. So this says, and you may be questioning, how about the security? It's a China brand. How do I secure my data? Sure ba ako na yung data ko is inside really the Philippines, or it might be being used by hackers outside? So we are accredited worldwide by these compliance accreditation bodies in terms of global, regional, and industry-specific standards. And we value data privacy for your business. So we are also recognized and we are compliant with the GDPR. So this is pretty much to safeguard your data in Alibaba Cloud. So enough for the overview of Alibaba Cloud, but what I wanted to highlight also for today is how we can provide solutions, or how Alibaba Cloud can provide solutions in terms of the education industry. So there are different ways on how we can leverage on the contents, especially for education. So it can be hosted, the solutions can be hosted, and at the same time, it can be delivered globally. So when we deliver it globally, we need to make sure that the network, the connectivity is okay. And this is one of the highlights of Alibaba Cloud. The solutions that we provide is end-to-end, so meaning the content itself, where it is stored in a server, how we deliver it to customers, not just locally but also in the Philippines, is also in quality. And in terms of how we provide the content, we provide different solutions related to media as well. And these are the hurdles and the challenges that our education industry is facing. So mas lalong na-highlight yung issues natin with education when the pandemic hits. So dito, yung technology, so most of us has no enough money to provide the, the technology to our students. It brought us to limited social interaction due to the COVID, no? And in terms of learning, siguro yung iba sa atin sanay or used to studying alone, but again, when the pandemic hits, it really triggers, mental issues and challenges to most of our generations. And because it's online, we're not used to it, to be honest. So it somehow affected the quality of how we provide education and knowledge to our students. So this is actually one of the solutions that we provide to our business or to our customers. So this is EDS or Elastic Desktop Service, wherein we provide an online computer or desktop to customers. This is pretty much hosted in the cloud. So para siyang VDI if you're familiar with VDI. So we also provide these particular solutions. So I'll make this quick para meron tayong time for Q&A. So medyo limited time na lang now. So this is just the high-level architecture on how the EDS or cloud desktop is working. In terms naman of connectivity or distance learning, so we provide also VPN gateway services. So this pretty much help secure the network or the connectivity between the data center and the users using it. And this is more on the larger scale. So CDN and CDN is more on a wider scale. So if you have contents that needs to be viewed or delivered across the Philippines, then we have the CEN and CDN as well. For the general solutions, these are what we have in terms of providing solutions other than education. So in terms of cloud migration for network, security, database, big data, DevOps, we have the following solutions. Most of the solutions that we have here also is delivered through partners. So we are partnered with 1,000 or 10,000 plus ISP or software vendors here in the Philippines and globally to deliver and address the project or business requirements of our customers. And through digital transformation, we are hoping, Alibaba Cloud is one of those who hopes that we can transform how we operate business here in the Philippines. I'm down to my last time, and Alibaba Cloud also provides trainings and certifications. So if you're interested, just like other cloud providers, if you wanted to enhance your knowledge about Alibaba Cloud, we provide certifications, trainings to those who are willing. And if you're a student, we also provide you with vouchers so that you can explore freely our solutions and our consoles. And these are just some of the certifications that you can get and that you can also explore. So if you're just a business user and you wanted to get certified, if you are an architect, an engineer, operator, dev, big data, cloud native, or any other engineering role, we have the following certifications at hand that you can help try to explore and hopefully pass. So that's it. But I wanted to give this time now to questions. I'm sure merong questions or there are questions about Alibaba Cloud, especially if you're not really aware yet of who Alibaba Cloud is and what Alibaba Cloud has to offer. Anyone? But yeah, that's pretty much it for the presentation that I have. So maybe let's wait for the questions.
Any questions, po? Going once? Wait, twice. Okay, thank you very much, Sir James Dayag. So with that, let me call on again Sir Roy. Okay, Moodlemoot Philippines 2024 presents the Certificate of Appreciation to Mr. James Dayag in grateful recognition for sharing his invaluable knowledge and experience to the participants of Moodlemoot Philippines 2024 given this 23rd day of May 2024 held at Century Park Hotel, Manila. Signed, Ms. Cheryl R. Villarman.